Hello students, this is Satish P. Working as Assistant Professor of Economics in Government First Grade College, Anavatti, Shivamogga District. Students, today in this session I am going to talk about fiscal policy for which is approved syllabus for third semester of a BA program of Kovempu University. So in this class, I discuss about meaning and definition of fiscal policy, the objectives of fiscal policy, the instruments of fiscal policy, learning objectives of this session to enable the learners to know about the meaning of fiscal policy, the objective of fiscal policy, and the instruments of fiscal policy, and to enable the learners to analyze the fiscal and monetary regulations methods in the economy. The session outcomes are on completion of the session, students will be able to understand the meaning of fiscal policy, to define fiscal policy, to analyze stances of fiscal policy, to analyze objectives of fiscal policy, and to analyze the instruments of fiscal policy. There are two macroeconomic policy tools we have in macroeconomic analysis, which are given by John Maynard Keynes. Those are fiscal policy and monetary policy. So in this class, let us discuss about the meaning of fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is a policy to change tax and government spending to protect economic stabilization. It refers to a policy concerning the use of state treasury or the government finances to achieve the macroeconomic goals. As fiscal policy theory states that the governments of nations can play a major role in influencing the productivity levels of the economy of the nation by changing it means by increasing or decreasing the tax levels for the public and thus by modifying public spending. This influence exerted by the policy helps in curbing inflation, increasing employment, and most importantly, it helps in maintaining a healthy value of the currency. Fiscal policy has a major role in managing the economy. An incompetent policy may lead to huge setbacks for the economy and may also lead to a recession. The policy concerning the revenue expenditure and debt of the government for achieving certain objectives like control of inflation and public expenditure. It is also related to income and expenditure of the government. It is an instrument for promoting economic growth, employment, social welfare, and etc. Fiscal policy means any decision to change the level of composition or timing of government or to change the rate and structure of tax. Definitions of fiscal policy. Different economists have given their own definitions about fiscal policy. First, let us discuss about Kaushik Basu, a former chief economic advisor, definition. According to him, fiscal policy deals with the taxation and expenditure decisions of the government. These include tax policy, expenditure policy, investment or disinvestment strategies, debt or surplus management. Professor says fiscal policy is concerned with the government expenditure and government taxation policies. This includes the tax policy of the government, expenditure policy of the government, investment or disinvestment in public industries, debt or surplus management. Another one economist, Arthur Smith, said that a policy under which government uses its expenditure and revenue program to produce desirable effects and avoid undesirable effects in the national economy, national income, production, and employment. According to Professor D.C. Rowan, fiscal policy is the discretionary action by the government to change the level of government expenditure on goods and services and transfer payment, and the yield of taxation at any given level of output. According to Culbertson, by fiscal policy, we refer to government actions affecting its receipts and expenditures, which ordinarily as measured by the government's receipts, its surplus or deficit. So, if you look at above all definitions, we can conclude that fiscal policy means it is related to government debt, government expenditure, government revenue aspects. And stances of a fiscal policy. There are three stances of fiscal policy. Number one, neutral. Number two, expansionary, and contractionary fiscal policy. A neutral position applies when the budget outcome has a neutral effect on the level of economic activity, where the government spending is fully funded by the revenue collected from the tax. This is the equilibrium phase for the economy. In this case, the government spending is entirely funded by tax revenue and there is no need of borrowing. In expansionary fiscal policy, an increase in government spending or a decrease in taxes designed to increase aggregate demand in the economy, thus increasing real output and increasing unemployment. This is the phase where the government spending exceeds tax revenue. This happens during the time of recessions. An expansionary position is when there is higher budget deficit where the government spending is higher than the revenue collected from the tax. Number 3, contractionary fiscal policy. A decrease in government spending or an increase in tax designed to decrease aggregate demand in the economy and control inflation. This is the phase where the government spending is lower than tax revenue. This is undertaken to pay down government debt. And contractionary position is when there is a lower budget deficit where the government spending is lower than the revenue collected from the tax. Thank you.